it's Febs. Today I'm back with another new video, and today I am doing a review on a product and a company, you could say that. I realized that I forgot to do a review on one of the products that was sent to me from Secret Scent Box, and I've had this since May and now it's August and I'm so freaking late at trying to do a review for them. Secret Scent Box reached out to me, wanted to send me one of their products that I could review. Now I'm not getting paid to do this. I just got this box for free, and in return all I have to do is do a review on it. Now they didn't tell me to do a positive review. Always going to be honest about the products that I'm going to be reviewing in this channel. If I don't like it, I don't like it. If I have something negative to say about it, I will say it. I'm always going to be honest, so y'all can trust me. Before I go ahead and do a review on this product, make sure to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So now let's move on to the review. So let's start with the Secret Scent Box website. This is a company that sells perfumes. Most of their products are branded perfumes. So they have women and men perfume. It is also a subscription box if you want to subscribe to their boxes. In each boxes, you will have a hand pick of 3 mystery fragrances for you to discover every single month. Oh, so for 1 month it is £15 per month. You can cancel anytime. If you do 6 months, you have to pay £14. Then if it's a 12-month subscription, it is £13 every month. I like their website because it's so easy to navigate. If you want to check out their website, I will link their website below my description box, so check them out if you want to. So this is the Secret Scent Box packaging. Voila. I like it because it's very simple, kind of elegant, let's say. I dropped it. It is very light. I don't know what else to say. It's just a box, and then it opens up like this, and the first thing you will see is a sheet like that. This box is actually the May edition. I'm so sorry, I'm really late at this, but I have to do this. I love how this pink just greets me. I love my pink. And also the next thing that you will see here is these sheets here. There's a disclaimer at the bottom of this sheet. Secret Scent Box packages genuine perfume and colognes and is not associated with the designer or the designer's perfume manufacturer in any ways. It just repackages the perfume and colognes. I don't know if this is real perfume. I don't know if it's an imitation. I don't know what these brands smells like. According to this disclaimer, it repackages genuine perfume and cologne, so maybe it is real. I don't know. And these are the information about each fragrance that you get. So there's Versace, then you got some Calvin Klein and Burberry. They also give you an information of when was this perfume launched, and it also gives you a description of what it smells like. Nah, I'm sorry, Secret Scent Box, I'm not a fan of the packaging of this. Like, I love this part here where you put the bottles because it's velvet. It doesn't look too elegant. The packaging is so gangster. I'm not against any gangster stuff, but it's just totally not my style. The bottles are super tiny. Oh, it doesn't say like how much is in it. Why? Oh, there's 3 ml in each bottle. So let's smell the first one, which is the Calvin Klein. Wear the shocking and addictive fragrance with confidence and energy. On the top notes, it's what is this? It's top notes, middle notes, base notes. I don't really know what that is. It's just smell it because I'm excited. So I'm gonna do one finger. It smells like a baby cologne from Philippines. A little scent of men's perfume. That's what I can smell from this. I would wear that. And let's move on to the Versace. This is exciting. So this one is a brand new scent launched in 2018. I got a new one. A tribute to femininity, irresistible notes, and alchemy that dance, arouse, and embrace. So now this smells floral. It smells really feminine, and I think this would be so far my favorite. This is Dylan Blue. I just love the scent of this one. Last one, which is the Burberry. I hate reading these notes, to be honest. This summery scent begins with a citrusy aroma and juicy pomegranate, which brings freshness to the composition. This smells really subtle. Like, it's not as strong as the other two. It's a little minty and some floral scent. I'm getting nosebleed. This would probably be my least favorite, this Burberry one, but I would still use this. Oh, my hand smells so good. I'm never ever gonna wash this hand ever again. So that is the Secret Scent Box. So if you want to subscribe to this box, then go ahead. I would totally recommend. If you want to expand your knowledge in fragrances, you know, if you want to experience or try out different fragrances, then you can totally try this out if you want to. It's cheaper than the original perfumes that you get in a big bottle. At least this one you can have 3 different scents in a month. So if you want to try this out, then try this out. I will link their website below. Also, I have a code for you down here. So that is the video for today. I also wanted to thank everybody for supporting this channel. We have reached 5K. I mean, like, where are you guys coming from? If I'm weird and crazy, you still support this channel. So thank you so much for that, and I really appreciate it. I don't know how to thank you. The only way I know how to thank you is to give some giveaways and make videos for you guys to watch. So if you have any ideas of any videos that you'd like to see me do, then just comment below whatever videos you'd like me to do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. See you then. Bye.